Jai Srimanarayana. 7th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Teshamaham samudharta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami नचिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशित चेतसाम् ॐ. The Supreme Sri Krishna Paramatma Srimannarayana promising you directly and saying that without any delay he will become your savior and deliver you from the cycle of birth and death, provided your mind is completely focused on Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone unconditionally. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall focus my mind on you. Please, without any delay, protect me, save me, deliver me from the cycle of birth and death. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your orders. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमो दशमस्कन्धं 10th स्कन्धं 214th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma, seeing all those boys and baby cows in the place where he hid them, and also the same number of people and baby cows are there in Vrindavanam. He got shocked to see that, and he is looking at all those boys and baby cows. They are all giving darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma like this. Tavat sarve vatsapalaha pasyato jasya takshanat vyadrusyanta ghanashyamaha Pita-Kauseyavasasah. All of them are Neelameghashyama, beautiful colored bodies. And also all of them are wearing Pitambaras, beautiful garments. Not only that, Chaturbhujaha, all of them having 4 shoulders. Not only that, Shankha Chakra Gada Rajiva Panayaha. All of them are wearing Shankha, Chakra, Gada and Padmas. Kiritinaha, Kundalinaha, Harinaha, Vanamalinaha. All of them are wearing kiritas and beautiful ornaments to their ears, and also beautiful necklaces on their throats, on their necks. Not only that, they are wearing beautiful vanamalas. And Srivatsa Angada Doratna Kambu Kankana Panayaha. In that Vrindavanam, all those baby cows and boys, they are all wearing beautiful Srivatsam in their chests and Kaustubhamani in their neck, and all Tulasi garlands. There are so many ornaments to their hands, so many ornaments to their feet, so many ornaments to their fingers. Like that, they are all glowing with so many ornaments and 4 shoulders, just like Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu. Such kind of darshanam they are all giving to Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 7th sloka. Teshamaham samudharta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami nachirat pardha mayyavesita chetasam. Teshamaham samudharta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami nachirat pardha mayyavesita chetasam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.